everybody. My name is Tinsley and welcome to my lab. And make sure to subscribe and click the bell for new videos. Thank you. I can see.
Good.
Hey Daddy, we're the same height.
That's why I'm sitting and you're standing.
If I was sitting, I'd be like this tall.
Yeah.
Welcome to Tinsley's lab. I'm Tinsley.
And I'm Dad. It's been a while since we've done.
Months or so.
Couple years.
Huh.
Couple years
Maybe-
since we've done this. You've
Maybe
gotten bigger.
since 2024. Oh, it's 20.
Couple years.
Yeah.
So today
And a
we've
couple
got
months.
some amazing reactions we're going to do for you today, since you like those chemical reactions.
Yeah, I remember the first one.
Really?
Yes.
What was it?
It was the puking one.
Yeah.
Blech.
Okay, today we're going to learn about acids and bases. So we're going to need some water, right? A medium scoop, large scoop,
The red cabbage powder.
red cabbage powder.
Why is it cabbage?
I don't know.
Citric acid
Citric
Test.
acid.
tube. And, shout out, we got this new tube holder so it doesn't have to lay down
Perfect.
like it used to. Okay,
Perfect.
back.
Okay, so what are we going to do?
We need the tall cup.
Yep.
Pipette.
Pipette.
Small scoop.
Small
Medium
scoop,
scoop.
medium
And water.
And water.
Safety first.
Safety.
Make sure to use your safety goggles and experiment tray.
And adult supervision. I'm the adult,
No,
right?
it actually says it. Adult supervision.
Oh, well, there you go.
Required for younger children. Red cabbage powder can stain skin and other surfaces.
Okay. So what do we do first? We're going to get the...
How does it stain skin? Fill the test tube with 3
3/4
full of water.
right
And
there.
we got that right there.
And we forgot to fill water in the glass, so I'll be right back. Tell them what else we're going to do.
And I don't really know. We actually got 2 of these things and 2 of these. So that's really cool. That's actually helpful. Right, Dad?
All right. We need to add a small scoop.
Make sure to don't get your watch stained.
Okay.
I put my glasses in my bottom pocket.
Okay, that's good. A small scoop of the red cabbage powder, right? So you're going to get that
Which
out.
cabbage? Is it powder or the actual food? That's actually really weird. Well, it's named cabbage. Right, Dad?
Right. Okay, take a small scoop.
And I'm guessing it's that one?
Yep.
It's purple!
Whoa, not that much. Oh, there we go. Nope, no more. That'll work.
It's purple, not red.
Put it in the test tube.
Ooh, the water's turning purple! That's actually
Okay.
really cool.
Now you want to stir it up.
Stir till dissolved. Whatever.
Nice
it's
and
named.
purple, huh?
I know. No, it looks like grapes. It looks like the juice of grapes.
Grape juice.
Yeah. Check. I think we're good.
You filled the cup with water. What's next? Now we need 1 medium scoop.
Of citric acid to the cup and mix well until the crystals are completely dissolved. This is your acid solution. Ooh, sounds interesting. What do you think? Like if you think it is. Subscribe if you think it's not. What?
Okay, put that in the cup of water.
This one?
Yep.
Okay, let's stir. We still have more to stir. See? You can still see the crystals down there. It says until dissolved. I'm just going to keep doing this until it's, well, dissolved.
That's dissolved. All right. Now we
I
gotta
will
use
call that good.
pipette. Now we fill that. That's good. Now, what do you think's going to happen when you squirt it in there?
Maybe a chemical reaction?
Maybe. Let's see what happens.
Okay. You ready?
Yep.
I'd prefer to stand back if you were here. Hey, it's turning a different color. It's turning red.
That's a chemical reaction, huh?
A type of one.
From purple to red. Look at that.
Okay, now I don't want to add more of those.
No, we got to save that one. Save that for the next one.
Oh.
So now, this is your indicator. Chemists tell how acidic a liquid is by using an indicator.
Nice.
Yeah. So, what do you think? Well, like and subscribe if you enjoyed. We'll be back and we're gonna make a base.
A blue base.
A blue base.
Wait,
So
it says a blue with a base. Make it blue
so
with a base.
another chemical reaction.
This is a type of one.
Yep, one type.
Yes. There's two types.
Is there?
A klabui and a different color one. Right?
So anything that just happens.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching. We'll be back.
Bye. Hello, welcome to the lab. I'm Tinsley and this is
Dad.
the mad dude.
Okay, today we have our indicator. Now we're going to make a base. Right? So we're going to need the red cabbage powder again, baking soda, test tube, tall cup, pipette, small scoop, medium scoop, and water. So like the previous experiment,
We needed water.
we got water.
Yeah.
So now we got to get another small scoop of red cabbage powder.
And wash your hands after all of the experiments.
Right.
I forgot to remind you for that. This?
Yep.
Put it in here. Put it in here.
Yep.
In the last
Stir it up.
episode, we did this. Look at the difference. It makes like a huge difference. We added these crystals thingies to it. But in this experiment, I don't think we're going to be doing that.
I don't know. Let's see.
It depends.
And we filled a cup half full of water. Once again. Now we're going to take the medium scoop
Ooh, this one?
and add some baking soda.
Baking
To the
soda.
water.
It's not real soda, and I think everybody can agree. Is this chunky? Why is it so chunky? I can't grab it.
Yeah, there we go. Into the water. Mix it up.
Until dissolved. Like most episodes.
And that's your base. That's your base solution.
Ooh. I wonder what we're going to be doing.
Well, you're going to fill your pipette
Again.
with the base.
There's still some chunks down there.
Ah, that'll work.
Yep.
Okay, now fill up your pipette.
This
Base.
right here.
What do you think's going to happen?
Maybe this.
Okay.
We never know until we do it.
Stir it up.
It's turning like a bluish green. It's teal.
Look at that. Purple to a nice deep blue.
I'll even put some in the pipette. so you can see. Pretty cool, right? Okay, I wish we could mix these. That would be cool. Wait, would we?
I don't know. We'll see.
Yep, we gotta find out.
Some more in there and see what happens.
Ooh, see if it changes.
A little bit more blue. Yeah.
It's like some sort of like dark turquoise.
All right. Tune in again, and we're going to see what happens when we mix these two, I'm thinking.
Oh. Okay, so.
We'll come back and we'll do that one later.
What?
Yep.
Hi. Hello, welcome to the lab. I'm Tinsley, and this is...
Dad, and we're back, and we're going to mix these two chemicals together, it looks like. So we have our...
It's called the power of purple.
We have our acid, and we have our base, right? So we're going to mix them, and we're going to see what happens. Remember, close adult supervision. Wear your safety goggles, and wash your hands when you're done.
Unlike Dad. He's not wearing his goggles.
I have glasses. So I will take this one, and you take that one. And we're going to see what happens.
Okay, so who's going to dump it in first?
We're going to do it at the same time.
3, 2, 1, dump.
What did that do?
It changed it to like some sort of blue purple. I want to mix it.
It's mixed up. It's not, it didn't fizzle that much. A little bit of bubbles. Not really.
That's true. I think we poured it at different times.
No,
Like,
but it did turn purple. Look at that.
Nice. It really is the power of purple.
And it is a chemical reaction, right?
Yes.
All right. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time. We'll have
See
another
ya.
crazy chemical reaction.